Today we have a video from Blue Line Lens, and the title of the video is Combative Woman Refuses to Leave After Being Kicked Out. Didn't end well. Did you hear the beginning of that intro? I don't want you to only hear the beginning of the intro. I want you to soak it in, put your thinking cap on, and realize that this is a reaction video. This is a reaction channel. Okay? Put your thinking cap on. All right? Because I don't want to get messages like this. Like this. Hold on. I'm going to show you real quick. I don't want to see shit like this. Okay? I had to pin it last time, man. I had to pin it. This is what we got yesterday. You started talking a lot more and interrupting the videos. Don't like that. Okay? Well, look. Some videos I talk more about, while others I talk less about. You can take it or leave it. By the way, this is a reaction channel. You can always watch the video without interruptions by clicking the link in the description under original video. Okay? Do we have an understanding? I hope we're understanding something right here. I hope we have an understanding. Did you hear the beginning? The first 10 seconds. Go back to any video. I start every video the same. Today we have a video from such and such. The title of the video is such and such. This is a reaction channel. If you don't like reactions, hit the bricks. See ya. Bye. Go. If you only want to watch body cam, go to body cam channels. Go to like straight body cam channels with the little AI voice. That's what you're going to get. Go over there. You coming over here because you like reaction channels. All right. I hope we got a good understanding. I had to just spend a quick 2 minutes on that before we can actually get into the video. And if this is your first time watching me, sorry we had to get into all of that, but you know, just got to make sure everybody got it correct. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't even know why I'm getting messages like this. In order for somebody to even comment on my video, you got to be subscribed. That right there weeds out a bunch of bullshit. And I've seen this person comment before, so they should be well aware about what channel this is. Yeah, this is a reaction video. God damn. Anyway, let's get into it, man.
On March 2nd, 2025, an officer was alerted to a combative female patron who had been removed from a bar and was refusing to leave the premises. Things quickly escalated in the parking lot as the woman began lashing out at employees and defying the officer's repeated commands to walk away. Here are the events that occurred.
Knock it off! Stop!
Leave!
Leave! Go!
Get off of
Go!
me!
Leave! Go!
I'm trying to!
Walk then!
Fuck you, bro!
Yeah, walk!
I'm literally trying to!
Well, go!
God!
Get off the property!
I am off the property!
No, you're not!
The sidewalk's on the
Go
property!
across the street!
The sidewalk's
Go
on the
across the
property!
street!
Please, I got a headache.
Leave! Leave! Leave!
I'm literally on the sidewalk. I'm not doing anything. I'm standing on the sidewalk.
Are you gonna leave or not leave?
I'm literally trying to get a
Are
ride.
you gonna leave or not leave?
I'm standing on the sidewalk.
Go across
Arrest
the
me
street.
then.
All right. You're under arrest. Stop.
For what? What am I under arrest for?
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your arm.
Stop it.
Give me your arm. You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest. Give me your arm. Put your arm behind your back. Stop.
Stop it. I'm not doing anything.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm standing here.
Put your arm behind your back.
No, I'm just standing here.
Come on. Stop
Why
it.
am I under
You're
arrest?
under arrest.
For what? For what?
You're under arrest. Stop.
what?
Stop. You're under
What am I
arrest.
under arrest for?
Stop. Stop Stop resisting now. Stop. 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 Put your arm behind your back.
All I'm asking you.
Stop.
I am asking you a question.
Relax.
What am I under
Relax.
arrest for?
Trespassing now.
For what?
Trespassing.
I offered to leave. How am I under arrest?
Stop. Don't lift up on me.
I'm not.
If you lift up, you're going to go on the floor.
I'm asking you a question. I offered to leave. How am I under arrest for trespassing? Awesome.
Stop.
Stop. Dan, I'm under arrest. I need help. I'm asking you a question. I offered to leave. How am I under arrest? Grab my phone, please.
Let's go.
I honestly don't.
Damn, all you had to do was walk across the street, man. They told you just to get out from in front of the in front of the establishment. Go across the street, whatever. Go down the block, do something. But no, you want to do it your way, so they got to get you together.
I literally offered to leave. I'm on the sidewalk. That's not trespassing.
Make a hole, guys.
How is the sidewalk trespassing? Please answer me. Because my act is a fucking
Good.
prosecutor's office. My best friend's a
Good.
patrol.
Then you call them then.
No problem. I'm asking you a question. I'm on the sidewalk. How is that trespassing?
Told you to leave.
I was on
Told
the
you to go across the
sidewalk.
street.
I was on the sidewalk. That's not trespassing. I'm on the sidewalk.
You yelling and
That's public property.
screaming. Told me to go fuck myself. What else do you want to say?
Actually, no, I didn't.
Oh, it's all on camera.
No problem. No, I didn't. I said I'm on the sidewalk. How is that trespassing?
You're on the property.
If
This
I
whole
am on
block is the property of
The
DJ.
sidewalk is
Yes.
not property of DJs.
Yes, you're on the driveway.
The sidewalk is public
All right,
property.
good for you. Then fight that in court.
No problem. The sidewalk is public property. That's not fucking property of DJs. It's on the sidewalk.
Yeah, okay. Keep digging
Okay. Yeah, okay.
I've been doing this a lot longer than you have.
The sidewalk is public
Good.
property.
And you're being disorderly, all right? So stop.
How
And you're
am I
resisting arrest.
How is that disorderly? How am I fucking resisting arrest? I sat there
Why you
on
should be
the phone.
quiet?
I'm asking you a
Why you should
question.
be quiet?
How was I arresting arrest on the fucking sidewalk? As I sat there on the
Look at the
sidewalk.
senior cause. Look, everyone's staring at you
You
right
can
now.
sit there and you can fucking
Look,
gaslight the
everyone's just-
shit out of me. I'm asking you a question.
Well, I'm not answering
How
you.
did I resist arrest?
I'm done talking to you.
Sitting on the sidewalk and put my hand behind my back.
Keep adding up.
I put my hand behind my back and I fucking,
No, you
that's
did not.
resisting arrest?
Yep.
By putting my hands behind my
It's all
back on the
camera.
sidewalk?
It's all on camera.
No problem. I'm asking you a simple question.
Well, I already
How
answered.
putting my
That's it.
hand behind my back is resisting arrest? How? How? No? You don't have an answer for me?
Combative female.
Put it-
What didn't want to leave.
That's combative? I put my hands behind my back and I sat there and I said I'm not on
Come on,
the
your ride's here. Come on.
I said I'm on the sidewalk.
Come on.
That's resisting arrest?
You don't obviously you don't listen to directions.
How is that not listening?
And that's why you're
I
coming.
sat there and put my hand behind my back. How is that not listening to directions? How is that possible? Seriously,
Come on.
how?
Just get in the car.
How is that a question?
Have a good night, all right? Discon, trespass, resisting, noise.
Hold on, no pat frisk? I know he's a guy and she's a girl, but damn, you just threw her in there without a quick little do, just some little something little quick, Damn.
Hey man, step out and I'll get those cups off here. You take a step to the side. We're going this door here.
I'm sorry, I literally have a labrum tear on my right shoulder.
And we'll take all one good inside.
I'm fine. It's cuffed, but in front of me, that's fine, but behind is excruciating.
Okay, they'll be off in just a couple seconds. You can go right in this room here. Yeah. And here, I'll take them off.
Well, she wouldn't be cuffed at all if she just listened. Maybe her ex, that's a prosecutor, to help her out. Keyword X.
You can have a seat on that bench. You can start, right?
That's fine.
And then we'll put you in a holding cell just for temporarily, and then you'll make a phone call, have someone come pick you up, okay? Yeah, just need any jewelry. It's on the earrings, wristlet.
Yeah, well, should get her in and get him out, or get him in there. M4 got released to his brother, and then Trace still back there. He's pretty banged up.
Why is she crying?
Follow me this way. We'll go down this hallway here.
Damn. It's busy, huh?
And then if you just say cool, calm as you are, we'll get you out of here as quick as we can, all right? We'll go into the next one, so that way you don't have to... You can go in this one. 1 sec, and I'll grab you. And then I got a blanket too if you're cold at all, all right? I'll be right back, all right, with the phone. F2.
Just be careful, the floor's wet out here, okay? Step over it so it doesn't get on your socks. Straight out. You're gonna make a right as soon as you go through the threshold. Right down to the end, you're gonna make a right and then a right. Yep. You have a seat on the brown bench there. Female taken from female cells. Here's your property back there. Shoes.
See, so let's see, how long was this? This is 2041. Let's see here. About 3 hours. 17:30. Yeah. Not bad.
Go over everything. Being charged with is purposely cause, recklessly create the risk of public inconvenience, annoyance, or alarm, which is disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and trespassing. All right, so you have those 3 charges along with noise and interference with business. They all carry the same court date of 4/8 of 2025, which is April 8th, 25.
Okay.
All right, it's at 9:00 a.m. It's most likely virtual, so contact the court. They'll give you updated, update them with your email and so forth to make sure that you're getting the proper notifications for your court appearance. All right, these are your copies there. You can hang on to those. All right, I just want to verify that you got your phone, wallet, 2 bracelets?
3, yes.
3 bracelets? Just confirm that they're all in there, and
Yes.
2 earrings?
Yes.
All right, that's all your property that we took from you? All right, I'm just going to have you sign here. Today's date is the 2nd. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Today's date is March 2nd. The time right now is 8:44 p.m.
She a lot more sober.
Just sign or print your name, whatever you're comfortable with. And that's just the form stating that you got your property back. That's all that is.
Do I have to say, just listening to them for the last couple of hours, I have my cousin's a state trooper, my best friend and her husband are both cops, my ex is a detective. I'm so sorry that you guys have to deal with this.
Yeah, this
I understand I'm not the best ever, but
Right. Something got you here today, but thank you for being
my
here.
God, it's so much for me to just try to keep my mouth shut. I literally couldn't for so many times.
Well, appreciate your cooperation in the back, and that's what's getting you out of here right now, all right? I'm going to walk you out to our lobby.
I like that. I like his response. Sorry. Well, something got you here.
copy. You can wait right outside.
Thank you.
All right, whatever you do, please do
I'm
not
going
go back
home.
to.
I'm not doing anything.
All right, all
Thank
right.
you.
Be good for the rest of the evening.
Thank you.
All right, good luck at work.
Thank you.
The combative suspect was ultimately taken into custody after she actively resisted the officer's attempts to secure her arms. She was transported to the police department, where she was processed and issued defiant trespass and simple assault. Please leave a comment.
All right. Yeah, that's that, man. That's that, man. That's what she needed. She really just needed to chill out for a little bit. Come back to her senses. Get a little bit sober. You know what I mean? And it sucks that she didn't just want to walk across the street and just go home for the day. She wanted to do things her way, so the officers had to get her together. You know what I mean? But hopefully she don't come back. You know, it doesn't seem like she's one of those. You know, like people that's a revolving door and stuff like that or whatever. So whatever. Hopefully we'll see, but you know, she just got to be able to control her liquor. That's about it, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.